Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the SketchUp app. First, open the application and select a template that suits your project, such as Simple Template Millimeters. This sets up your workspace. Next, familiarize yourself with the main interface, including the large drawing area and the toolbars located around the edges. You will find essential tools like the Select tool and the Orbit tool readily available for immediate use. To navigate your model, use the Orbit tool, which looks like two arrows forming a circle, to rotate your view around the center. The Pan tool, represented by a hand, lets you slide your view across the screen. For drawing, select the Line tool to create edges, or the Rectangle tool to quickly form flat surfaces. Remember, precise measurements can be entered directly into the measurements box at the bottom right. Now let's bring your two-dimensional shapes into 3 dimensions. Select the Push/Pull tool, click on a face, and drag it upwards or outwards to create volume. You can type in a specific distance, for example, 200 millimeters for accuracy. To move objects, use the Move tool. For complex shapes, the Follow Me tool can extrude a profile along a predefined path, adding intricate details to your design. To add realism, use the Paint Bucket tool to apply materials and colors to your surfaces. You can choose from a wide library of options, including brick, glass, or metal. Explore the 3D warehouse to find and import thousands of pre-built components, saving you valuable design time. Always save your project regularly. When your model is complete, you can export it in several formats, such as a 2-dimensional image or a 3-dimensional model file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.